last time today.
Okay, you can do that, but you have to look off once in a while because you're gonna bump into someone.
I bet that's what it is.
Angelique Krause going out sometime in September.
So let's play with your iPad.
It's me! Thank you. I'm a pretty girl. I'm a pretty girl.
Love your outfit today.
Thanks. Smile.
Morning, Anna.
Morning.
Do you have OT or PT?
morning.
Mom, do I have OT or PT?
OT.
OT in the morning?
10:30.
10:30?
You like OT, right? You like this gym?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like my favorite hop?
Yeah.
Look in half.
Can you hold this, please?
Hold this, please.
Thank you.
Sit in the classroom.
Oh, yeah. Rick is off until Rick is off until
I miss Michael, the big Michael.
I don't know where he is.
I miss him. I don't know where he is.
Girl, here we go. Let's get you out. Let's see here.
Let's take the elevator. Can I take this off?
I will take it off when we get to your locker.
I miss the big Michael.
No.
Eduardo. Eduardo.
Eduardo? Where?
At the library. Do you like Eduardo? Yeah, here, white. Do you like Eduardo?
Yeah, he's alright.
Do he like them? Do you like him? Hi, what's your name?
Hi. I'm sorry?
What's your name?
Mr. Sheftik? Yeah? Good one.
New to HPE with me.
Yeah, I do.
Hi.
Morning.
Morning. Good hell.
Push it up.
Morning.
Oh, push him. There you go.
Morning.
Good morning, Miss Hannah. How are you?
Look at hell.
My hair?
You have some.
Your hair is very pretty. You like my hair too?
Short hell.
Yeah, short. Much easier in the summer.
I got short hell.
Yep.
Have a good day, lady.
Yeah, I will. Ladies.
Girl power.
Woo! To the. Woo!
That's pretty good.
With the belly.
How you doing, girlfriend?
Good.
Good.
We're in the same hair.
What are you doing good at?
Have the same hair.
We have the same hair?
Yeah.
Who, you and me? It sounds like Ethan's done. I have to go look at check out what he's doing.
I will.
Can you try to open your locker?
No, yeah.
Give it a try.
Yeah.
Okay, good try. I just wanted you to try.